All right, this is Ray Marshall. I got a 97 Honda Accord. It actually has a VTEC engine in it. It's actually a race engine. You can see the headers. Beautiful car, super fast. I just cleaned it up actually. It was pretty dirty. To check out the interior. Sunroof, power windows, pretty much fully loaded with everything you need. CD player. It's been dropped on lowering springs, so which is really cool. Check out the back. I'm still kind of putting work into this car, so I'm not sure how much I'm going to sell it for. But they fun little cars and they really good on gas. And I don't have to tell you how good the value of a Honda is. They run forever as long as you tune them up, oil change, basic. Well, that's it. That's my 97 Honda Accord EX. If you're interested, hit me on my inbox.